We'll take out the air filter and expose the carburetor. We'll set this aside and you can see the float bowl. Wipe off the float bowl, crimp the fuel line so it doesn't flow out. Loosen this nut on the bottom. Be careful when you're pulling this thing down because there's small pieces that can just drop right out. You can take the bolt all the way out, but don't let the bowl drop. You can see the fuel draining out. It'll eventually stop because we have it crimped off. When we pull this bolt out, we're going to check the jet on this. If these holes are clogged, it will not start. The jets look clean. We'll check the bowl next. This is when we're going to pull it down very carefully. Pull it at the gasket and just bring it down just a little bit, but don't bring it down all the way. Keep hold of that float. Make sure the float does not drop. The float will move back and forth like this. On this mower, you can drop the float all the way and this little pin will not fall out. On a lot of mowers, that pin will just drop right out. I took the clamp off the hose to let the gas flow. If I lift the float, the gas stops. If I drop the float, the gas will flow. Everything looks like it's in order here. I clamped the gas hose, now it won't drain out. You can see some dirt in the bottom of the float bowl. Clean all the dirt out of the float bowl. Make sure the jet is clean with a wire. Now we can reassemble everything.